This is Dave
I'm Barbara
from Hiking with Dave and Barbara. You can catch your blog on www.hikingwithdaveandbarbara.co.uk, YouTube channel Hiking with Dave and Barbara. This is day 3 of the Via Francigena in Italy. After yesterday's quite tough day, we've got another tough day, and we're going to be heading from where we are today, which is San Miniato, and we're going to go all the way to Gambassi Terme, which we think is about 16 miles, maybe 24k, but with a lot of ascent. Do you want to add something, Barbara?
820 metres of ascent, but the majority of it is in the last 5k's of the walk, which is always the hardest part of a walk anyway. Anyway, it should be a lovely day. The advice is it's like 7 or 8 hours and there's nowhere for food and coffee on the way. What a shame. So make sure you're well supplied. We bought some fruit and bread last night. We've not seen anywhere open yet. This is a Saturday in March, so hopefully we can catch some breakfast before we go and then be on our way. Look at Italy, 7:30 in the morning. Absolutely beautiful.
It is.
Rain's coming in for tomorrow, but that doesn't bother us much.
Should we go?
Goodbye.
Let's go. See you later. Bye bye. Wow, that was the end of day 3 of the Via Francigena in Tuscany in Italy. This morning we left San Miniato and we walked about 16 miles, about 25k, to this town called Gambassi Terme. It's been quite hard, hasn't it? You go, Barbara.
Well, it's absolutely beautiful. The scenery in Tuscany, you can see right to the hills. Yeah, so that was really, really nice. It's about 700 metres of elevation, most of it towards the end. And when it decided to pour with rain as well, so that wasn't quite the best. But, you know, you make it. And we're staying in the lovely hotel behind us, the Casa e Castillo. hotel, so that is really nice to stay there. Good recommendation. So we're just going to have a nice walk around town.
Yeah, we'll take a few shots as we go around town, and tomorrow will be day 4 where we head to our next destination, which I can't remember where it is. Shall we go?
The place with the towers.
The place with the towers. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Bye.